Now, I want you to pay very close attention to what I'm about to share with you right now. You know, my friend Robby, during his workshop on Monday, March 18th, is going to share some crazy stuff that will blow you away. He will be sharing how a brand new AI software is making it easier than ever to have success online. He has just few examples of real students making absolute killing in affiliate marketing profit. Here's Doug, the retiree from Texas who just recently cracked $1,000 a day in profit. Chris and Janice, the husband and wife team who already made over 1.8 million in the last 12 months. And Kenny, who went from working for $1 a day in the Philippines as a virtual assistant to now making up to $40,000 a week. Braxton, who started off completely clueless and just recently made $25,000 in a week. Maria, who went from working a regular 9 to 5 job, making seven figures with this system. Now she's even using the money to buy investment properties. How crazy is that? And here is Sangmin from Korea, who has earned an impressive 5 million using this secret AI system. These were all ordinary people. They didn't have any special skills or knowledge. They didn't have a ton of money to get started. They simply followed Robby's proven system step by step and used his secret AI software, and it paid off big time. So now it's your turn to tap into the power of this brand new three-step AI powered system just like they did. All you have to do is to register for upcoming live workshop where Robby will show you exactly how the system works and even profile some of his top students for you. On top of that, he will be doing a live demo of his secret software that we are talking about, so you can see it in action. Plus, there's over 1,000 in cash and prizes for anyone who stays until the end of the workshop. So click below to register as soon as possible and make sure to show up in time. First come, first served, of course. So here is the link to join us live at goodpracticereview.com Chai workshop. Thanks very much for watching and talk later.